sabihin mo nga sa amin, Marlon, paano ka nag-umpisa mag-narera?
Nag-start lahat yung career ko sa Pinas. The one who got me into it talaga was my dad. Nagkarera tayo sa mga go-kart sa Carmona, Cavite. Nag-start kami dyan. Tapos na-attend ko yung mga Philippine Championships. Tapos from there, nag-escalate yung career ko to winning the championship sa Pinas, to Asia. And then now, nag-start ko yung career dito sa Europe. I started in the Philippines, so I basically built my career there, and then it was just really a hobby, you know. It was something to do with my father, to get outside of the city, to go to a place like Carmona and Cavite. It's a bit out there, and it was just nice to just be me and him, and get to know one another, and spend some bonding, some good time with each other.
So this is actually a good news because most of the Filipinos think that they have to go abroad in order for them to be part of F1. In fact, we just need to stay in our own country.
Yeah, I mean, we need obviously the grassroots, and it's not to say that the Pinoys aren't good at racing, because I mean, for me, I started my whole career in the Philippines, and to go from even on the streets, or to go from Carmona, Cavite, winning races there, to suddenly coming out here in Europe, and like 2 years ago I won the Monaco Grand Prix in GP3. It just proves that, you know, anything from whatever island you're from, whatever country you're from, it's always possible to achieve the very best.
Ito ba may papayo mo sa mga kabataan natin sa Pilipinas na sundin yung mga yapak mo na engage din sa Formula 1 racing?
Hopefully naman, kasi ginawa natin din yung F1 road show sa Pinas, yung Manila Speed Show. Dinadala natin yung F1 car sa Pinas para makita lahat yung mga Pinoy. It's good naman to share that experience with everyone, kasi not everyday naman hindi makikita yung F1 car sa Philippines. So it was nice naman that they could see that, but at the same time naman that it was a Pinoy driver also in the Formula 1 car. So dyan gusto namin magkita yung connection that it's possible talaga at mag-reach yung goal natin to get the Formula 1.
Okay. Bilang isang Pinoy-Swiss, Marlon, kung saan-saan ka na nakakarating, mga races mo, ano yung pinaka-Pinoy mo ugali na dala-dala mo hanggang saan ka makarating?
Every time, kahit yung mga ibang bansa, kahit lahat yung mga Pinoy, yung mga supporters, I always wanna give them like my absolute best talaga in racing. At yung parang yung trait natin talaga is that we always fight. Whether it's like in any sport, like boxing, we see it with Pacquiao, or with like in football, like yung mga Ascals, may fight talaga kami. And that's the same I think I have also in my racing. Kahit anong position ako, fight ako talaga always for the win.
So, could you give us at least like the 4 magic rules if you have one? To our kababayans and inspiring racers.
Yeah, I mean, I'd say if you want to be in motorsport, the number 1 rule, of course, is to have a lot of fun. Number 2 is...
Fun or fun?
No. Well, both, yes.
Okay.
Number 2 is the fun.
Okay.
It's not an easy sport, of course, to pursue. So, I mean, it's in the beginning, it's a lot about fun, less about the money. And also still, it has to be, you still have to have the fun above, like, trying to find funds and all those things. And number 3 is just, like, make as many friends as you can, you know. I mean, this is, a lot of people, when they get into racing, they meet new people, and you just have to soak up the culture. And I'd say number 4 is, yeah, you always want to win. I think that's an important goal to have when you pursue anything, I guess. Maraming salamat talaga sa lahat ng support ng Pinoy para sa karera ko. Ibigay ko para sa lahat ng mga next coming races. And I just want to thank the TPS channel for having me here and interviewing me. It's been really nice to see the whole Filipino-Swiss community, and I just want to thank them for this opportunity. So, maraming salamat.